In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a video with AI. And you can see here I'm on YouTube. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to get the transcript of this video. We're going to recreate this video with AI. And it's amazing. It's really, really powerful. So now you can see I've copied all the content of that video down here and I've spaced it out and formatted it a bit, and we're going to then put that into an AI tool and it's going to create a video for you. So this software is called Pictory and it's in the cloud, Pictor.ai. Go up here and you can create a free account, and I'm only using the free account. There is a paid version which gives you access to a lot more templates and will do a lot more things. But what I'm going to do today will show you just what it will do with the free version. So we've logged in. We're going to go article to video. Now there is another option here where you can actually put the YouTube link straight in, but it wasn't working last night. So let's do this one here. Article, copy. So I'm back and I've gone through and formatted it. And what I do by formatting it is breaking it up into, say, different lines and chunks of sentence so that it doesn't put too much on the screen. So all we're going to do now is click proceed, and then I'll come back. After that we're going to choose I'm just going to choose this one here, and you want, if you're making a YouTube video, obviously you want 16.9 aspect. If you want to make a YouTube short or reel or something like that, it wouldn't be this long. If that was the case, you'd click on one of these. So we're going to click on that and then click on continue, and I'll come back when it's finished. You can see here, please wait, the video storyboard is being created. This is crazy. Okay, and here you have it. And down the side here you can see why I broke down the lines so there wasn't too much text. Play it, preview. Amazing. This is how you can make a faceless YouTube channel, even when you don't know what you're doing, using free AI tools. So here it is, just previewing it. And you can go down here, you can alter the text in here if there's too much text, or if there's a spelling mistake, you can go through it, alter it before you produce it. You can add music. You can use a voice, a generated voice, or you can use voiceover yourself. Up to you. Click on here, and as you can see, here it is going through it. Pretty amazing technology. All right, so that's how you can make a video, a faceless video with AI, and how you can actually create a faceless YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and follow, and if you want some free training, links in the bio and the bottom.